Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're just upgrading the interior lighting in the 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Now this will be the same for Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, and some of the Caddies. Now before we get started, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button, you can head over to the channel, check out all kinds of how-to videos on this era, tons of era vehicles. I not only do car reviews, but I also do car repairs. Save you guys some cash. Now, the lighting in this is just regular incandescent bulbs. It's a little dim. It does help that it has the light colored interior, so if you had tan or gray, but when you have the black, this is going to be huge for lighting up the interior. So we're going to start with the front ones here. Now, I typically don't like using metal tools inside around plastics, but this one is something that you're going to probably have to do just because you're going to need a real fine blade. Now, you can use a plastic razor blade. Your pry points are here and here. And basically, you're just going to push it down. Now, while you have this out, go ahead and clean the bugs and stuff out of there. We can see we got some bugs right up in here. We'll clean it all out and then swap the bulbs out. Now, the front of that is going to be where they actually hook. Don't force it. This will come out pretty darn easy. So, but we can see right here, we got some bugs and some goo. So we'll get that cleaned up. Once you get those out, you just pull them down. I will link these in the description. They're super cheap, inexpensive. You'll just snap them in, and then that's it. And you can angle them if you want to. That's it. This took less than 3 minutes to do. Again, I'll link them down below. If you're wanting to replace it with just a standard bulb, if it's just burnt out, which is pretty darn rare, there will be a marking on the case. It is a 212-2. And that's pretty easy breezy. Again, I'll link these down below. For less than 10 bucks, you'll get a pack of 6 or 8. I don't remember what they come in. I usually stock LED bulbs anyway. So, but yeah, that's super easy. So let's go back and do the rear ones. All right, so if you have the DVD player, this is just a blank. There's nothing in here. Here's where you're going to start prying, is on the outside here. And then you'll just tilt it down. And when you go back in, of course, you'll want to get those hinges in first. They'll snap in, and then this upper piece just does it. So we're going to clean this out and get a new one of those in there. Then once you got them cleaned up, guys, you just snap the hinge side in first. Snap this in last, and so much brighter. Again, this is a blank. You don't even really need to take that out. I just took it out to clean it while I was in here doing it. And that's that. For less than 10 bucks, you can swap this out, have lots of lighting. Again, if you have black interior, it's going to totally help in any Chevy that has black interior, because they do a lot of black. But yeah, super easy. One tool, 10 minutes. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. And don't forget to check out the description below for the link to the bulbs.